brake checking is illegal, but you have to be able to prove it. This morning I got brake checked on my way back into my own neighborhood after I got coffee this morning, but let me show you what you can do to protect yourself. Luckily for me, I was a safe traveling distance. I wasn't speeding, so I was able to stop just fine, but it was still pretty annoying. And P.S., if you're going to brake check someone for driving a car, don't flip them off out the window, because they might have something like this sitting on the front of their car. Some people have dash cams, but if you don't want the look of the dash cam, this right here is like a $50 to $80 mirror. You can see this, the back of my house right there. This records front and rear at the same time, so you get both angles. It holds a ton of data, and you can just put it really in place of your mirror. But I wasn't driving like an asshole. I was just pulling back into my neighborhood, and it's a small community, so I'm always incredibly respectful. I pulled over next to the guy, and I was like, "Hey man, what was that for?" And he goes, "What do you mean?" I said, "I got all of that on camera. You brake checked me and then you flipped me off. I wasn't revving at you. The exhaust for this McLaren is just that loud. I'm sorry if I pissed you off this morning, but can't do that to people." And he apologized and he went on about his day. I told him to have a nice day. But first of all, don't brake check it. And second of all, install these, because they could really save your ass if you ever do get brake checked or hit. And it also gets these funny interactions in traffic.